Okay, the difference between two numbers. So I'm going to put this down over here. X and Y are two numbers. And I'm going to say the difference between those two numbers is x minus y, with the understanding that x now is greater than y. And they say that's 72. All right? So it says the difference between two numbers is 72. Then it says their arithmetic mean. Now their arithmetic mean, I want to point out what it would be. It would be x plus y over 2. That's the arithmetic mean. Exceeds their geometric mean. Well, that comes in a prior section. Geometric mean would be x times y, right? Exceeds their geometric mean by 8. All right? So then someone says, well, what do you do now? Well, you got to solve, and that's the tough part. So if I'm going to solve that thing, I guess I'd make a substitution. And someone says, why is that? It just looks like the easiest road to take. So I'm going to say x is equal to 72 plus y. And I'm hoping this goes pretty smoothly on me. So what do you get here? I'm going to kind of plug it into the second equation. And what would you get? I got to do some work here, don't I? So 72 plus y over 2 equals, kind of nightmarish, but we can do that. It's x, which is 72 plus y, times y, don't despair, plus 8. I'm going to do some arithmetic over here. And, 72 divided by 2 is 36. 2y divided by 2 is just y. And that equals the root, 72 plus y times y plus 8. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides, and you would get 28 plus y equals the square root of 72 plus y times y. Now what I'm going to do, might seem crazy to you, but I want to get rid of that radical, and I'm actually going to square both sides. So what do you get? 28 squared. By the way, if I have to do that, I'll do that later. And then you're going to get, 2 times 28, I can do that, 56y plus y squared. On the other side, what are you going to get? Well, if I square that, you can get something pretty simple, which is 72y plus y squared. And what's nice about this is they disappear. All right, so what are you left off with? And I'll write this down for you. 28 squared. I'm going to take 56y from both sides. And I'm hoping it's going to work out pretty nicely, by the way. And I always hope for that. So 56 from 72, let's see, that's 16, right? And then I'm going to divide by 16. So I'll put this over here, 28 times 28, and I'm divided by 16, which is 4 times 4, and that equals y. What does that give me? 7 times 7, so y is 49. All right? So what am I going to do now? I want to figure out what the x is. I'm going to go back up here, understanding y. It's 49. We'll look at the key later. And I look at an equation. I'd say this is probably the easiest one to deal with. So what would x be then? Well, x would be 72 plus 49. Let's write that down. Well, that's 11. And you get 121. All right, so find the numbers. I just found the numbers. What are they? 121 and 49. All right, let's look at the key and see if they have that. And they do. 121 and 49. All right, thank you.